Just imagine that you step outside at night and you're seeing the sky glow in green, red, and purple color in places where the northern light don't usually exist at all, right? That's exactly what happened after a power storm shocked scientists and amazed people across the US, Canada, and Europe on the 19th of January 2026. So, for those of you who don't understand what happened or what is happening and why it happened, this news breakdown is going to help you understand. And if you were among the people who saw it like in reality, then you are blessed because this is something that rarely happens, and people who happens to see it are the luckiest. So listen to the news breakdown and drop your thoughts.
Something incredible happened in the night skies recently, and many people are still talking about it. Across parts of the United States, Canada, and Europe, the northern lights suddenly appeared in places where they are almost never seen. For many viewers, it was their very first time witnessing this rare natural wonder. This unexpected light show was caused by an extremely powerful solar storm. Scientists say it was the strongest one recorded in over 20 years. It all started when the sun released a huge burst of energy, sending charged particles racing toward Earth. What made this event unusual was the speed. Instead of taking 3 or 4 days to arrive, the solar particles reached Earth in just about 25 hours. When those particles hit Earth's magnetic field, they caused a very intense geomagnetic storm. Because the storm was so strong, the aurora didn't stay near the polar regions like it normally does. Instead, the glowing light spread much farther south. People reported seeing bright green, red, and purple colors lighting up the skies over countries like Germany, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Ukraine. In the United States, sightings stretched across many northern and central states, with some reports even coming from places as far south as Alabama and parts of California. For many people, the moment felt unreal. Skies that usually stay dark suddenly came alive with moving waves of color. Phones were raised, photos were taken, and social media quickly filled with videos of the rare sight. It was a reminder of just how powerful and beautiful nature can be. Scientists explain that events like this happen when energy from the sun disturbs Earth's magnetic shield. This particular storm was rated very close to the highest level, showing just how intense it was. According to experts, the last time the world experienced something similar was back in 2003, which makes this event especially rare. While the lights were stunning, experts also remind us that strong solar storms can cause problems. They have the potential to disrupt satellites, GPS navigation, radio communications, and even power grids. Thankfully, no major damage has been reported so far, but space agencies are still closely watching solar activity. Researchers say the sun is becoming more active, which means we may see more space weather events in the coming years. However, storms this powerful don't happen often, making this display a once in a generation experience for many people. Did you get to see the northern lights where you live? Or have you ever experienced a solar event like this before? And do you think solar storms should be taken more seriously because of how much we depend on technology today? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments.